When Dali was 12, he spent some time in a house owned by the Pichot family, close to Figueres. The property was called El Molí de la Torre, the Mill of the Tower, and this tower became one of the painter's favorite myths.
As it got dark, I was attracted by the Molí de la Torre, with all the irresistible magic of its dizzy height. And I raised my eyes to the top of the tower with a burning gaze of promise and loyalty.
Dali played with Dulita in the top of the tower. He felt the temptation to push her down with a crutch. In the end, the sacrifice of the girl was replaced by throwing down a diabolo.
The tower became the sacred spot, the tabernacle, the mansion of sacrifice. And it was, in fact, up in the tower that I perpetuated the sacrifice.